As your mayor...
Mr. Mayor, Judge Roy Bean, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. I am Deputy Mayor Milton C. Howell, and this evening I am excited, nay, honored, to welcome two brave and daring adventurers, Mr. John Potts and Mr. John Coulter. Now, in just a moment, our beloved Mayor, Horton Parnell, will deliver a speech detailing our respect and admiration we have for these two gentlemen. He will also go on to tell of the tales of their heroic travels in the company of Lewis and Clark. He will then wrap up that speech with our undying gratitude, nay, our undying appreciation.
Milton! If you keep telling everyone what I'm going to say, there's no reason for me to say it.
Oh, I hadn't thought about that.
All right. Howdy, folks!
Howdy!
As Milton was mentioning, we are here tonight to honor two fine and upstanding gentlemen, Mr. John Potts and Mr. John Coulter! We are also here to dedicate the latest addition to our western wilderness area, and that is the Potts and Coulter Trading Post and Expedition Company. Thanks to these two heroic heroes, we can now rent a raft and supplies and travel down the Calico Rapids and claim some land as our own.
Oh, excuse me, Mr. Mayor, excuse me. Bixby Knowles, editor of the Calico Gazette.
Bixby, we all know who you are. Why on earth are you interrupting my speechifying?
My apologies. I was just wondering if Mr. Potts or Mr. Coulter could speak to the rumors of a strange, elusive, ape-like creature roaming the wilderness along the banks of the Calico River.
Now, Bixby, please do not upset the town folk with tall tales and speculation. I, for one, do not believe the rumors of a skunk ape in these parts. That was probably just some swamp gas. Yeah, that's what that was. Probably just swamp gas.
Let's just get on with cutting the rope. You are quite right, Judge. We do hereby dedicate this trading post and rafting expedition company to those brave adventurers everywhere that embody the pioneer spirit. Gentlemen, do the honors. Drum roll, please.
I hereby proclaim the commencement of the operation of the Potts and Coulter Rafting Company officially hereby commenced! Enjoy your journey down the Calico River. And travel safely, everybody. Travel safely. Was that your wife?